happened to your baby father?
He left home, go to shop to buy a stuff for the baby, and then throw him on the soldier jeep, came down here, go lock him up. The baby now get the Lasco, mother like finish party Lasco then. If they carry Lasco down here.
So are you upset about the state of emergency?
No, I'm not obsessed. I can't obsess. Then just see him and just throw him on the soldier jeep in the water.
So have you spoken to the police? Have you spoken to the police?
They're not giving no time for that. They throw me out of door.
Ha ha ha. That little clip, they're funny as hell. But I had to come up here and tell you guys what's going on. And they're claiming that 200 people have been arrested in St. James, Montego Bay. And they did this with intelligence information. Also, they're claiming that a well-known artist get caught up in the whole state of emergency thing, and his mother then find gun at the mother house and all these other stuff. So I'm gonna read this news article and then we're gonna get into the story. And it says, since the state of emergency was announced for St. James last Thursday, the security forces have conducted several operations throughout the parish with intelligence support from members of various communities, resulting in arrest of approximately 200 persons. Operations have been conducted in the communities of Flonka, Norwood, Glendovan, Salt Springs, and several other communities throughout the parish. According to Inspector Diane Brantley of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit, we have taken into custody over 197 persons over a period of 3 days. 8 persons were arrested for the brazen shooting incident along Sunset Boulevard near the Sangsters International Airport on Tuesday, January 16, when a man was killed and 2 others injured. You see how fast them make sure say them catch the people them where shoot the man at the airport of Montego Bay. You see how fast? I saw. 8 persons were also arrested. 2 persons were also taken into custody in relation to the shooting death of a man in Iron Shore. The accused persons are expected to be charged later this week. Also, 3 persons have been charged with misdemeanor and have since been granted bail. There are currently 111 persons in custody, 10 of whom are being charged with varying offenses, including incidents of shootings and murders. Among the detainees are persons expected to be charged following consultations with the Office of Director of Public Prosecution. So, they locked up approximately 200 people in St. James with the whole state of emergency. But what I want my audience and my subscribers to do is tell me if they think these 200 people that they lock up are going to stick. Because you guys know when they did Zone of Special Operations, they did the same thing. They locked up a bunch of persons in a specific community, and then they had to let them go because they didn't have any substantial evidence to keep them in jail or even keep them in prison or get them into prison. So do you think these 200 persons that they lock up, do you think they're actually going to stay locked up, or do you think they're going to come back out a road? They claim that they did these arrests with intelligence information, meaning that they did it based on information that they got from various people. Do you think these people are going to be willing to go to court and be a person that's going to give evidence? Do you think these 200 persons that they locked up are going to stick? Basically, do you think it's going to stick? And also, there have this rumor going around that this well-known artist from Montego Bay, mother's house was searched by the JDF, and they found 2 high-powered rifles or 2 high-powered guns, and people are just spreading a bunch of fake news and fake rumors and actually getting these entertainers into trouble. And let's talk sense into all this nonsense. if a person's mom house was searched and they found two high-powered guns and they are big entertainer, big celebrities, because you know that they have a target on their back already, don't you think that that entertainer would be in custody? Don't you think that entertainer would have to show up to a police station? Don't you think they would be locked up? That specific entertainer was out and about yesterday doing his thing. Went to even go visit Vibes Cartel in prison. So people need to stop carry fake news. And people are doing this intentionally to sabotage and mess up people's career because they know how Jamaican people stay bad mind. They kill them bad mind, corruptness, and red eye. So, comment in the comment section. Do you actually think anything goes like that? Because I've read plenty of news article and it didn't say anything about no entertainer. It just said that them found find two gonna flanker. But comment in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think. Do you think this is going to hurt this specific artist's career? Do you think it's not going to do anything? Do you actually think that these 200 persons that they locked up are going to stick? Do you think these arrests are going to stick? And do you think they're doing a good job in St. James with the state of emergency? So comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm part of here, man. Deuces.